Hey guys and gals, I have some new and exciting news. Little Bear has her own channel on YouTube now. That's Sew CoCo. I'll leave the link in the description box below, so if any of you have any little ones that want to learn how to sew, that's the channel to go to. Thanks for watching. Today I want to show you how to make two things. One, my version of a club sandwich, and two, my version of a BLT. The first thing you'll need to do is get a paper towel on a plate ready, and then start putting some bacon strips onto a cold pan. Not a hot pan, not a warm pan, a cold pan. I'm going to be making a few sandwiches today, so I'm going to try to fit 6 on here. I was only able to get 5 bacon strips on the pan, but that's fine. Now I'm going to set my stove to a medium-high heat and wait for the magic to begin. Don't forget to save your bacon grease once it cools down. You can always use it in another dish later on. While the bacon is cooling off, I'm going to go ahead and toast the bread that I'll need for the sandwiches. Slice up some fresh tomatoes. I always like to use these Campari tomatoes. They're small little things, but they're packed with flavor. Grab yourself an avocado and just make little slits this way, then the other way, and grab a spoon or a fork and scoop everything out. Grab the pit, twist, now you could just make slices like this for your sandwich and then spread it on your bread. But I find that when I do that, these little avocado pieces shift so much. So I like to smash mine a little bit before I put it in the sandwich. But that's just me. You don't have to do that. Do it however you prefer. Quick little smash. You can even get the kiddos to help you with this part. They would love that. Free reign to make a mess. See how they move when you bite into the sandwich? Boom, they pop out. And that's just a little pet peeve of mine. Alrighty. Add a little salt and pepper to this, and you got some guacamole. On the 2 bottom pieces of my sandwich, I'm going to spread some mayonnaise. If you don't like mayonnaise, use what you love. Then I'm going to add some turkey. This is oven roasted turkey from the deli. Then some sliced cheddar cheese. I'm going to use some Havarti on one of them. It's going to be delish. I don't have a toaster oven anymore. If I did, I would pop these into the toaster oven. But since I don't, I'm going to pop these into the oven at 375 degrees until the cheese has melted. The bottom parts of my sandwiches are out of the oven. Now for Papa's sandwich, I'm going to give him the turkey with the cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to get another piece of bread, and put some mustard on it. I'm going to use that mustard up to the last drop. This is going to go on here. We're going to do a little bit of mayonnaise mustard on this side. Now for the filling. I'm going to put some tomato down. Some pickles. Bacon. Lettuce. And on this bread, I'm going to smear some avocado. And put a little bit of salt and pepper. Gives it just the right touch. There we go. This is Papa's Club sandwich. Now for mine, I have the turkey and the Havarti. On this piece of bread, I'm going to add some mayonnaise, flip it, and then on this side, I'm going to add the avocado. Tomato, tomato, pickles, bacon, lettuce. And on this piece of bread, I sure do wish I had some deviled egg filling. And through the magic of TV, deviled egg filling magically appeared. I wanted this sandwich today, and I don't know what made me think of putting deviled egg filling on it, but for some reason, I just really wanted that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it out. And I'm not gonna add salt and pepper to my sandwich because there's already salt and pepper in the deviled egg filling. After boiling some eggs, I'm just gonna separate the egg whites from the egg yolks because I'm just gonna make some deviled egg filling for my sandwich. I'm not gonna make a full deviled egg. Okay, I'm just gonna turn these yolk balls into crumbles. Add a little bit of salt, some pepper, and paprika. Get everything broken up and mixed up well. Now I'm going to add a little bit of mustard. And then get all the crumbs, all the yolk crumbs coated. Looks like I need a little bit more. There we go. Time for the mayo. Nice and creamy. Do a little taste test. Aroma. Perfect. Voila, my 2 club sandwiches. Now what you want to do is put a toothpick on each side of the sandwich. And if you're serving this to someone, make sure you warn them that there are toothpicks in the sandwich. This is going to help hold everything together. And then just cut on the diagonals. There you go. Mine. While I have your attention, let me show you how I make my BLT. I grab lettuce, smear on some Boursin cheese. This is garlic and herb. And I'm going to be smearing this. I'm only going to be smearing this on one side. Grab some bacon and your tomatoes. On another piece of lettuce, I'm going to grab some sun-dried tomato pesto. And smear that in. Then I'm going to get some regular pesto, some Basil Pesto, and smear that in, just to the one side. Now, top that. And that is my version of a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. I can't wait for you to taste it. Oh, so good. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you on the flip flop. Later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. That is hitting the spot right now on this hot day. Oh man, that is good. On to my BLT. I love this BLT. I started making it a few summers ago. Oh, now I always want it. Mm. Is it lunch? Is it dinner? It's both. Mm-mm-mm. No carb, low carb. Mm-mm-mm.